Hey guys, and welcome back to Akivashair. And for this special video, I'll be doing a review on my favorite bed hair care line, Nuevonoir. For those of you that are new to my journey, on my hair journey, as you can see, I'm known for the braids, known for hair tips and stuff, but I've been growing up my beard. And the beard journey has been nothing but elite. I've had it to the sides, sideburn without nothing filling in. I've had it defined by using this amazing product that I'm going to review. And then I've had weird stages. So my beard's now connecting. It's now full. I cut it down a little bit because it was a bit too grizzly. But yeah, without further ado, we're going to talk about the products. This right here. So this is Nuevonoir's hair and beard shampoo. I use it mostly for the beard. So as you can see, you're nearly done. So you apply just a little bit into your hands and it does foam up extremely fast once it's been applied onto the beard. And then I just wash that out using cold and lukewarm water. So the next thing on the line, this is the order that I do it. The next thing I use, the beard hair oil. Now this is the hair and beard oil. This is apricot and passion fruit. The smell is absolutely amazing, tantalizing, and it really does give that shine. As you can see right now, I just did my evening routine, so I applied it. So I squirt about 3 pumps. This is nearly done as well. I need to get myself some after I show you guys. So yeah, apply about 3 or 4 pumps of this into your hands, warm it up like so, apply it all over the bed, and then we're not done. This is a 3-piece line. Now we're gonna apply this. Now this is Nuevonoir's Beard Balm. I'll show you the texture of this. So I apply a little bit like this on here, just massage it into the beard. And this complements the oil. There is no specific order of how to apply it. You can apply the oil and then you can apply the beard balm afterwards, or the beard balm then the oil afterwards, whichever one floats your boat. But I like to do the oil, then I like to top off with the beard balm. So after I've used both of them, I then go on with my brush. But you know, I'm a stylist, so I don't want to use any regular brush. I'm going to be using Nuevonoir's brush. So first I go down with the palm brush. I don't know what you call this because I have a brush that's similar to this already from another brand. But what do I call this? A military brush or whichever. With military brush, just brush down like so. I'll show you. Fix the beard back. And then we're gonna top it off with the pit comb. Serious stuff. This is organic as well, which makes it really, really good. And as you can see, that wood, this feels cleaner, natural, easy to clean, and it feels as if it's not cheap. This is like high quality stuff. So I've been using this brand for over 2 years now. I'm not changing it. I know there's other brands out there that do nice things, but this is the best. So that's my Nuevonoir review. Well, I didn't even give a review properly. So the shampoo foams up extremely well. Would definitely recommend the shampoo. The shampoo will clear off all of the debris that's on top of your beard. Let's say, for instance, you're doing your skincare routine. So you've done your skincare routine on your face, but your cream or whatever you're using, your moisturizer may contain a lot of oils. That mixed in with whatever you're applying on top of your beard is not good. You're gonna end up getting bumps. You want a clean and you want a shiny beard. So you're gonna wanna wash off the beard by using a beard shampoo. So after I've done any application, I always use the beard shampoo first. Now for the balm and the oil, they're extraordinary. Some people, they may just want to use the oil or they want to use the balm by itself, but I like to use them together. And they keep the beard nice, tamed, shiny. And I've seen a lot of growth as well. I may show some pictures of what it used to look like before and after using Nuevonoir. I've got that fullness and thickness now. That is my review on Nuevonoir's hair and beard products. But as you can see, it's been fitting me well. Of course, everybody loves a sale, so let's get into some discounts. You can use my code Akivashair and that will be giving you 10% off the box set. So that will include these two together and the full set with the bed balm, the oil, and of course the shampoo. For just the 3-piece set, you can use my code Akivashair2, and that will give you 10% off just the 3-piece set with the oil, the balm, and the shampoo, and it will give you 15% off the sale price. So Akivashair for the box set and Akivashair2 just for the 3-piece set with the oil, the balm, and of course the shampoo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you'd want to see further reviews, and peace out. I'm looking very majestic in all black, or Akivashair 2. I'm getting it mixed up now. Yeah, Akivashair 2 for the full set. No, is it? Akivashair for the full set, which includes the brushes. I think I should do that last.